Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add text overlay using HTML and CSS. So let's say we have an image and we want a text overlay on the image. So how to do this? Let me show you. And here I just have to write HTML and then press tab, and it will create a basic structure for me, as you can see. So inside the body, let's say I want to add image, so I will say here image, and I have downloaded some image in the image folder, so I will say here image slash, and let me show you the image folder. And here you can see in the HTML and CSS file I have image folder, and inside the image folder I have five images, right? So I will use image B or C. Let me just use B. So I will mention the path image and then slash and then the file name B and dot, the extension is JPG. So if you want to see the extension, you just have to right click on the file and then go to the properties, and then you will see the extension, that is JPG. And for this icon, if I right click on it and go to the properties, here you can see .png. So this is how we can see the extension actually. So I'm going to use this image. So yes, this is the image, and I want to set here a text, let's say h1, and here I will say this is image or this is a show, right? Okay, now I would love to use here alt, and here I will say image. And now if I go to the browser, here you can see we have the image and text. So let me just decrease the size of the image. So I will say here image, and I will set width of, it's a 300 pixel. But I have to mention here the link. I mean, I have to give it the link. So I will say here linked, and in the reference section, we will give the reference of our CSS file. So here I will say custom.css. Now we can access CSS from our HTML file. So go to the browser and refresh it. Now if I zoom out it, and here you can see this is the image file size, that is 30 pixel, and this is the text. But I want to show this text as overlay on the image, right? So we have to do this. Let's say I want to set here position relative padding, I mean top, I will say 0, and left I will say 0. If I refresh, so this is the image, and now I will do CSS for the text. So here we have h1, and I will say this text position should be absolute to make it overlay or to act as overlay. And here I will say top 25%. And if I refresh on it, then you can see this text is on the image. And now I want to use this text as centerized. So I will set here left, let's say 25%. Refresh, oops. So I will set here 5%. And now you can see this is the text and this is on the image. And here you can just use 20%, let's say, to check if it is in the center or not. So this is in the center now, right? So now I want to show it as overlay, right? When I hover on the image, then the text will appear. So I will say here text opacity is 0. If I refresh, now you can see there is no text. So let's say I want to add hover effects. I will say here hover, and then I will say here opacity will be 1. Now if I refresh, then here you can see when I hover, then the text is showing, right? Let's say when you hover on the image, then the text will pop up. So how to do this? If you want to do this, then you just have to go to the HTML file, and here let's say div. We just keep them inside a div, and here I will paste it. Let's give it a class main, and I will say here main, and I will remove it, and I will say here main. So yes, I have to give here dot, and then I have to access the class, that is main, and now curly braces, and here I will say main hover, and then h1, then I will say opacity 1, and here you can see this h1 is for the main, so I will say here dot main h1, and I have to mention here dot main. Okay, so now if I go to the browser and refresh it, now you can see when I hover on image, that time actually the text is appearing. Okay, let's say I want to set here image, so this will be image height, and if I refresh it, now you can see. Okay, so when I hover on image in any portion, that time actually text is appearing, right? Here you can see. Okay, that's it. This is how you can add overlay effects on an image. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.